Hello and welcome to the Sanbrooke Adventures! It's our first video on the rebranded Adventure Shawn channel, and the reason I've changed it is because Charlotte is now full-time here on YouTube, and of course we run theme park worldwide, and now it's time for some big changes here from Adventure Shawn into the Sanbrooke Adventures. And you know what, we are really excited to show you around our brand new house.
I know, we're going to take you along and show you around.
Yeah, it's going to be weird for us because obviously we do these tours when we go and stay in hotels, and Charlotte does the little tours around. Now we're showing you around our house. But yeah, this is really exciting. You've got to bear in mind it's a work in progress. We've been in for like 2 days. We've just moved in, but luckily the house is only a few years old. It is a newer build, so there's not as much work to do.
Yeah, we don't have to do loads of work to it. It's just sort of getting stuff sorted out now.
Yeah, I mean, it's a big responsibility, isn't it, when you're a homeowner? But we're going to take you along. We're going to invite you into our home over the coming weeks as we're building it all and putting it all together. And yeah, and say building it like we're going to be going to IKEA and getting furniture and putting it all up. It's going to be an adventure of its own.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, so am I. We're just going to keep it real, show you how it is. There's going to be some difficult times. There's going to be some learning along the way. But that is what it's like moving into a new home, isn't it? Well, we are so excited to take you around for this tour of our home. And yeah, starting off in the front door and the little hallway here.
Yeah, we've got a nice little hallway, then we've got like a downstairs toilet.
Hey, here we go, that'll come in handy. Always good to have a downstairs toilet before we nip off on our adventures and go to the theme parks, of course. You know, you can just nip in there before we get into the car. Yeah, the good thing is in here, got some nice storage with the hooks there as well. And yeah, got the little basin just off to the left, some storage. Obviously got gas central heating, there's a radiator in there as well. And loads of shoes at the bottom.
Oh, that's not even all the shoes, to be honest.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to get some sort of shoe rack.
Yeah, we need a shoe rack.
Yeah, we can certainly get that at some point. But yeah, the good thing is, like I say, with it only being a few years old and barely lived in, to be honest, it looks like brand new.
Yeah, which is really nice. It means we've not got to do loads of work.
Yeah, definitely. As we make our way into the main front room here.
There's Goofy sat over there.
Oh, there he is, the first resident. Goofy just over here. Priorities, of course, getting Goofy in. Obviously, we haven't got any furniture or anything yet. Literally, we're showing you this. The idea is it's kind of like a work in progress, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Yeah, so as you can see, we've got the nice living room here. At the moment, we've just put a couple of garden chairs in that I brought from my old home, and then we're just using this storage container just to, yeah, use it as like a coffee table at the moment.
Somewhere for us to sit though, so that's not a problem.
Yeah, obviously we're going to be getting sofas and all that kind of stuff.
Goofy's already made himself well at home there.
He has, he looks really comfortable, doesn't it? But yeah, it's a nice front room. I'll bring you around this way. Here we go. And show you this. Yeah, the staircase is over in that corner. So in terms of the room layout, obviously this is all set up down here for the TV and stuff. So I think we're going to get some sort of stand. We're going to be going to IKEA. That's the next vlog coming up.
Yes, indeed, we're off to IKEA.
So we'll get some furniture, hopefully.
We're looking at getting a stand for here, and then we can put the TV on there, can't we?
Yeah, that'll be nice. Because obviously it's got the plugs and aerial connection and everything already down there. So yeah, we'll look at that. Obviously that leads through into the little hallway, and then we've got our nice window just over there as well, and we have got a little bit of garden out the front, which is nice as well.
We have indeed.
Along with a nice driveway, which is good.
A little cubby underneath here.
There we go.
Need sorting out.
Yeah, just put some storage lounge flies in there.
Lounge flies are in there.
Yeah, we brought a Hoover. Here we go. Let's show you our lovely new Hoover. There it is, Vax Hoover, just there. Slots in there. Obviously, we're not going to leave all that storage in there. It's going to be like a cleaning cupboard, I think.
Yeah, it will be, yeah.
That's probably the plan. And then, yeah, we're going to get a nice sofa. Hopefully a corner sofa to go around here. And yeah, obviously we're going to be painting the walls. I mean, some of the holes have been filled in already. We've not done anything. We've not touched the walls or anything yet. But to be honest, it's in a good condition.
It is in a good condition.
And like the carpets are brilliant as well. We're going to get these professionally cleaned. However,
we're going to get the rug doctor.
Yeah, they're only like a few years old, these carpets.
They are, so just nice clean on them and then they'll be fine.
Here we go then. Come on in through the nice door into our kitchen dino. We'll start off with the kitchen first, just off here to the side.
So it looks very spacious. We haven't got any appliances in yet. We've got to get the washer and we've got to get the fridge. But the kitchen's quite a good size really, to be honest.
Yeah, and you say we haven't really got any appliances, but we have got the oven built in, which is good.
The oven's already built in, which is good, so we didn't have to worry about that.
Yeah, it's nice. And again, the kitchen, I mean, a big thing of moving into a house is thinking, oh, do we need a new kitchen? Do we need a new bathroom? But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty much brand spanking new. Like, yeah, we're going to get a nice fridge freezer over here. Ignore the bag down there at the moment. We're taking that.
For the food bank. We've got some bits to take to the food bank, so we're going to go and give that in.
Yeah, and the fridge freezer is going to sit just here. So we're going to get that ordered at some point. And then, yeah, we've got the Spaceship Earth cookie jar.
So nice.
Look at that, some Prosecco there for some friends of ours for moving in. And then lots of storage, obviously, for now. We've just put some, piled it all in, but it will be nice and organised. We've been in here like 48 hours, you know, not long at all, you know. It's been a very long and stressful process.
It has indeed, but we're getting there slowly.
Yeah, they say that, you know, moving house is the biggest, most stressful thing in your life.
It really is.
I think that's an understatement, to be honest. Yeah, we've got a bit of a Disney theme going on here as well, which is nice. Yeah, obviously, cookers all in just here, looks good. More Disney. We've got the nice sink just over here with the window that looks out into the garden, which is going to be a massive project. But there's enough room here for us.
Oh yeah, there is. There's enough room.
Yeah, definitely.
It's nice. And we've got like the dining area down here.
There we are, yeah, the washer's going to sit down here. We'll probably put a bin down there as well, I think.
Down there and just like the mop and stuff.
Yeah.
We've got the dining area, but we are going to get a new table.
Yeah, this is the outdoor garden furniture. Literally, we brought this in from my old house just because we thought, well, we want all new stuff, you know, what we can both choose together. But yeah, this is just an old garden table, so we brought it in and we've got the 2 seats in the living room for now. But yeah, obviously you've probably noticed with the walls, a lot of them are white, and we quite like the white walls.
I quite like the white, it just needs a recoat.
Yeah, it just wants repainting again. You see where they're filled in holes and stuff, but that's no problem. But I do like the grey and how that's kind of like a feature wall. I don't think we're going to keep the grey, we're going to do something else with that.
I'm just not sure what we're going to do yet, but we are going to keep the feature wall.
I like the idea of features.
I like the feature wall.
Yeah, I think it's nice. We've been around a lot of homes, obviously we've been looking for ages now, just trying to find the right thing, but yeah, you know, finally we've got it.
Exactly.
Well, this will be really nice. We're going to go for like a long table down here with 4 seats, and then we've got the nice double patio French doors just here, which lead out into the garden, and to be honest, the garden is a really good size. Now, this is the part of the house, to be honest, what needs the most TLC. You might be thinking of that, looking at it, thinking, oh my God. But yeah, like there's a lot to do. This shed came with it. Obviously I put all this out here. This is loads of rubbish, and we've brought these bricks because they're going to be for a project, so stay tuned for that. This is the old world of theme parks, all that's now arrived here, but it's currently in bits, so that's going to be getting assembled. You can see I've been putting a few markers out in the garden. Watch this space for the garden. It's going to be its own separate project. It's not really the priority initially. I've been taking these slabs up, and so I've been doing all sorts of measurements. The garden's a video of its own.
It is.
Multiple videos. Yeah, multiple videos for the garden. But there you go, that's the downstairs. Should we go and head upstairs, shall we? Yeah, let's go and have a little look. But yeah, hope that you like it. To make our way through. It's just a perfect size for us, and we thought we wanted to show you it now before we do all the work and painting and that sort of thing.
Exactly, so it's like the outer shell and then we'll bring it all together.
We can always look back on this then and think, oh blimey. So just before we make our way upstairs, just thought we'd talk a bit about the heating. So yeah, obviously we've got gas central heating. That's great for me because I've not had radiators for 22 years. Where I was before with my parents, we had no radiators.
No, it's crazy.
Been living in the past when I was in the village, but yeah, there was no gas in the village. But yeah, as you can see, we got this, which is perfect because literally you can turn it and control all the heat, and yeah, you can do it via the app and stuff as well.
Very easy to work. It's like you can heat the home while you're out, so you can be driving back on a cold night and the house will be warm.
Oh, that would be perfect. That. Here we go. Let's go upstairs, shall we?
Let's go upstairs.
Hey, so yeah, we'll show you the landing when we get up to the top just here. So I've got a bit of an idea for the landing actually. If we spin round this way, there we go. So yeah, here's a look down. Don't look down. Da, da, da. Yeah, of course that leads straight down. What I like is as well, it means we can have the radiator on and kind of, you know, it's going to heat all the way through,
which is really nice.
Which is beautiful. I'm just like I said, I'm not used to that. I was living in the past where I was before. I only got fibre internet a couple of years ago. But yeah, we've got the stairs again, all the carpets all the way through are great. Just want professionally cleaning. And we've got this nice big space. We're going to do something, some kind of feature wall over there. Watch this space for that one. I don't know. I made it sound like I know. I don't.
Something, but we're just not 100% sure yet.
And we've got the loft arch there, but I'll show you that right at the end because the loft is awesome.
Yeah, the loft's great, isn't it?
Right, where should we start? Our bedroom.
In the bedroom.
There we
There's
are.
Figment.
Hey, Figment's asleep on the bed. Here he is. Hey. Oh, if you don't know who Figment is, it's a little purple dragon from Epcot or Walt Disney World. And hang on, what was that in the window there?
So, let me just pop Figment. This is a goat ornament that Shawn bought me. And then we've got this little plastic baby one as well.
Oh, there you go.
Lovely.
I do like the large goats.
He's lovely.
Yeah, it will definitely have a good place for him. We thought for now just to make it a little bit homely because when you move in somewhere, just white walls, no furniture, we want to just give it a little bit of something temporarily.
We haven't even got any curtains yet.
No, literally, you are seeing this. You know, we've literally come straight in. This is a mattress that we brought from my old house just for now until we get a bed sorted out. We've got a little lamp down the side. Yeah, like, you know, that's fine for us.
These sort of things like beds and sofas, they can take quite a while to come.
Yeah, it's ordering stuff and, you know, it'll all happen. I've said this to Charlotte.
Will, yeah.
It's all going to happen. We're still obviously in a busy time for theme parks and stuff as well at the moment.
So much going on.
Like a month from now, the end of the season will mean we'll have a lot more time to focus on stuff. But like unpacking here, you know, not like I'm going to wait a month, but you know, luckily we have got a little wardrobe over here. Well, quite a big one, but I'm donating that to Charlotte, this wardrobe over here, and I'm going to have one to the left. Yeah, we've got this lovely built-in wardrobe. Again, all the doors on everything like match and are really nice. There's a little sneak peek in the wardrobe for you for now. Yeah, this goes really high up as well, so we can maybe put some more shelves in there. I was saying to Charlotte, like our clothes only really go to here, so we could put some more shelves in the bottom.
Yeah.
We can do that. We can maximise storage in there, can't we?
Yeah, we can.
Hang on, look at all these shoes.
I know.
Viewers, none of those shoes are mine down there.
I need to have a sort out.
How many pairs of trainers do you need?
All sorts for all different occasions.
Oh, we got some little hooks in there, but yeah, we can do all that sort of stuff. Yeah, I don't know what they've had up here, the previous owners, but it's a funny place to have something that, isn't it? I don't know, like a little storage cupboard or something. You goat this?
You go this?
Hey, that was more like a sheep than a goat.
It was indeed.
But yeah, nice. Obviously, you get a nice view down towards the garden there as well, and the massive future projects that we got planned for the garden. But yeah, let's go and have a look in the bathroom, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's through this way into the bathroom. Da, 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 da.
You enter.
There we go. Yeah, it's not huge, the bathroom, but it's all right for us. And I'll tell you what it's come with, this very fancy mirror, which I was impressed that it had the lights on here. And then we found out, because we were looking at all these buttons here, we found out that it's a Bluetooth speaker as well. How fancy is that?
I connected my phone to it and I was playing music through the mirror.
So it means when you're on the toilet or in the bath, you have some tunes on. Exactly. Why not? Well, yeah, this is nice. That's a feature what, you know, you wouldn't expect to be built in initially, or I thought they would have took that, the old owners, but that is nice. I really like that. Got this little window. Obviously there's the toilets and the basin there. We're probably gonna, you know, have some sort of shelving or something around here. And we've got a nice heated towel rail or radiator, whatever you want to call it. I'd probably say more heated towel rails, to be honest. And then here's the bath. Now, the good thing is, I can actually fit in this bath. My bath before was a bit thinner than this, so I couldn't really fit in it very well.
Fit in there, fine.
Yeah, that's the good thing. We'll get some storage and stuff from IKEA. That's why we're going to IKEA, just to get some bits. The tiles are really nice in here. I love these. It all matches the style of the kitchen in a way as well, with this kind of light grey, silvery look, which is cool. And we've got some nice spotlights. We've got 6 of those just up there. I've just noticed that is covered. Look at that. Covered in dust up there. Oh, yeah. We'll get that clean. We've tried to just do a basic clean, but there you go.
We'll get that done today.
We are going to be very tidy homeowners. Like, you know, we're going to try our best to keep it tidy. However, this is the room that doesn't look the tidiest at the moment, and you're about to see a behind the scenes look at Theme Park Worldwide, our other channel. This is our studio initially.
Indeed.
There we go. So the main reason that I built this wall a couple of years ago now, I mean, I changed it earlier this year, but I've had this for like 2.5 years now. The main reason I built this wall was for this moment in time.
Exactly.
It was for when we moved. So I had just an initial studio, somewhere to film videos for the channels. This is the behind the scenes look at the studio, but obviously this is going to be phased out when we get the new British Theme Park Museum, which will be our new studio for Theme Park Worldwide. But yeah, like this is just a little look, you know, behind the scenes at that. And this is like our second bedroom. It's a 2-bedroom we've got. This is like the little editing area at the moment. It's not ideal, but it's fine for now. You know, like we're gonna get through with it all. Oh, there's Pardews from Efteling over there, and this is a lot of my theme park collection that is all boxed up as neatly as we can do. I mean, you know, we're really trying to think about keeping stuff safe, putting it in the right weight, and there's literally about 25 boxes here. We've got loads of theme park signs, we've got some stocks in the London Dungeon. I think when we moved all this stuff in the other day, all our neighbours were kind of like, you know, what's going on and all this stuff.
What is that?
Oh, but yeah, I tell you what, we've got a nice room in here, and this will become an office, and maybe we could turn it into another bedroom if we needed that in the future as well. You know, yeah, definitely. But there you go. That's a tour departing throughout the day of our new home. But yeah, I'm going to just show you the loft now because I've got to get this in. It's awesome. Here we go. Look at this. Right, we're going to put this in at the top of the stair. Now this is a fantastic feature.
It's amazing.
Here we go. So this lowers down. Take that out. obviously in my old loft, you used to do it down, then the ladder could just fall out and like hit you in the face. But look at this, got a nice wooden ladder. So that comes down there. It's a bit like Lego, this is. That slots in. You got your bottom one that slots out. There we go. And then it all. How good's that?
It's
fantastic.
Brilliant.
Right, let's go up. Instead of building a backyard coaster, maybe I could build an indoor dive coaster. I mean, that'd be cool, wouldn't it? Out the loft, that chair. Well, yeah, here we go. One to the loft. Now, the old owners boarded this out, and this is great because you come up the hatch just there, and as you see, you've got this little switch there. And that's for the big light up here. Now look at this, this is all my Christmas stuff. I've got loads of Christmas lights. Like, I've always had a bit of an obsession with Christmas and Christmas lights and stuff. So I've got a lot of Christmas up here. I also used to be a DJ as well. So I've got a lot of DJ equipment over here. Not the remote control car. Got a lot of DJ equipment and stuff over here. So yeah, maybe that'll come back out for something at some point. Got some spooky Halloween decorations over there. All this is from the old house, really. Loads more Christmas. Got the box for the Hoover that we bought the other day. More Christmas. So yeah, you know, but this is really nice of it, because the good thing is I can actually stand up in here, which is fantastic. I'm not used to that. But yeah, it's really good in here, all well insulated. And yeah, that's our loft. But it's great how it's boarded out, and you got these shelves round at the side as well. Well, there we go. That's our brand new house, and I tell you what, we are really grateful that we've got such a lovely home, and yeah, it's going to feel like a home soon.
Yeah, when we've got everything all sorted, it's going to feel a lot more homely.
Yeah, I mean, I'm grateful that we've not got like a massive project to take on. The garden's a big project.
It is, but that's just in the future.
Yeah, and the fact that we're moving in now, it's October, you know, we've not got to worry, it's not like summer, you know, the garden can wait for a winter project. Yeah. Not like we're going to wait for ages, but yeah, that's something to look forward to in the future. But yeah, welcome to our home. Like I say, 2-bedroom house. Really pleased with it. I think the rooms are perfect size for what we want. We looked at so many different properties.
Yeah, like so much.
And it's been a really busy time for the housing market as well. So we've actually put offers in on other things and stuff and not got accepted. It was, you know, really tough to actually get what we wanted. But then I came in here, saw it, and was on to Charlotte straight away. Like, this place would be great for us.
You fell in love with it straight away.
I did, and especially at how much work had already been done. Like, I saw the bathroom, I saw the kitchen, and thought, blimey, you know, they're big expenses normally for moving in.
They can cost a lot of money.
Yeah, they can. They are your big expenses when moving in, really, and both of them are fine, other than getting some appliances. But yeah, our next step is going to be going to IKEA. That'll be the next video coming up. I just wanted to talk a little bit about video schedules on this channel. We'll just kind of go with it as we are. Expect new videos kind of every few days. It's not a daily upload channel. Theme Park Worldwide is, but at this moment in time, there's not going to be a schedule. Maybe at some point we'll have one.
Yeah, when we've got all settled and stuff like that.
Yeah, I know a lot of people kind of like a schedule, whether it's like 2 videos a week, Wednesday and Saturday or something like that. Maybe we'll look at that. However, for now, we just can't commit to that at the moment. There's daily uploads on Theme Park Worldwide, and on here, we're just going to upload as and when.
Exactly,
but we just don't want to put any extra pressure on. No. You know, that's the thing, we keep it really genuine. We don't want to add too much pressure whilst we're doing all this, but we wanted to take you along as well. So yeah, thanks for standing by us. Thanks so we really do appreciate all of your kind comments and support. Honestly, it means the world to us.
It really does.
We know that there's been a lot of excitement that Charlotte has joined full time now.
So exciting.
And it's great for me as well, it really is, to just have Charlotte always by my side, not just off camera, but also on camera as well.
Lovely.
But there we go. Thank you very much for watching, and have your own adventures. Bye.